Very dirty. Filthy. The kitchen is filthy after the party. Very small. Tiny. The insect is tiny and hard to see. Very big. Enormous. The elephant is enormous and impressive. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. The sunset is gorgeous this evening. Very funny. Hilarious. The joke was hilarious and made everyone laugh. Very attractive. Stunning. Her dress is stunning at the event. Very excited. Eager. The kids are eager to open their gifts. Very tired. Weary. He feels weary after the long hike. Very uneven. Rough. The path is rough and hard to walk on. Very boring. Tedious. The task is tedious and repetitive. Very bad. Dreadful. The weather is dreadful today. Very fresh. Crisp. The apple is crisp and refreshing. Very clean. Pristine. The beach looks pristine and untouched. Very strong. Intense. The flavor is intense in this dish. Very great. Overwhelming. The support from friends was overwhelming. Very grand. Majestic. The castle is majestic and impressive. Very large. Vast. The desert is vast and stretches for miles. Very bright. Vivid. The colors in the painting are vivid. Very tired. Exhausted. She is exhausted after working all day. Very perfect. Impeccable. His suit is impeccable for the event. Very weak. Faint. The signal is faint and hard to detect. Very fast. Rapid. The river's current is rapid and strong. Very run down. Dilapidated. The old house is dilapidated and falling apart. Very clear. Transparent. The water is transparent and clean. Very strong. Mighty. The mighty wind knocked over the trees. Very calm. Serene. The lake is serene and peaceful this morning. Very tough. Sturdy. The sturdy chair didn't wobble at all. Very uncommon. Unusual. Her reaction was unusual and unexpected. Very shiny. Radiant. Her smile is radiant and lights up the room. Very quick. Swift. The response from the team was swift. Very unclear. Hazy. The view from the mountain is hazy today. Very annoying. Obnoxious. His behavior was obnoxious and irritating. Very hot. Blazing. The sun is blazing and burning hot. Very confusing. Puzzling. The puzzle is puzzling and hard to solve. Very roomy. Spacious. The living room is spacious and comfortable. Very delicate. Dainty. The flower petals are dainty and fragile. Very messy. Cluttered. The desk is cluttered with papers and books. Very cruel. Savage. The attack was savage and brutal. Very lively. Vibrant. The market is vibrant with activity.